Okay, so here's the fan with lights. I already hooked everything up. Make sure you have all the screws on the side, screw all the way in so it's intact. It's not moving anywhere if touched. Okay, and here is the remote controller. It doesn't use AAA or AA, so you gotta get this type of smaller battery. Okay, but it works. You can do it on the app too, but the app is kind of like finicky. If you like to do it on the app, you can do that. But I think the remote controller works really well and it's more convenient anyway. So I just turned it on. And here is the light. It's very, very bright. I can change the color to whatever I like or dim it down. Change different theming, and there's a fan. Okay, it's a fan. Going strong, going low, going reverse. Turn the lights off, turn the light on. So basic stuff. But there you go. It's wonderful. It's been working well for me.